Welcome friends, in this video we are going to learn 30 plus vegetables name with pictures and meanings. Let's start. Broccoli. Broccoli mean in Urdu we say broccoli and shah gobi. Next is celery. Celery. You can see in picture Urdu name is Ajwain Kharasai. Turnip. Turnip mean shaljam. Pumpkin. Pumpkin Gia kaddu. Zucchini. Another name is summer squash. तोरी. तो एक चीज़ के एक से ज़्यादा नाम भी होते हैं, फ्रूट्स के, सब्ज़ी के स्पेशली एक से ज़्यादा नेम्स हो जाते हैं. मशरूम. मशरूम मीन्स कुम्बी. इसलिए जब आप एक या ज़्यादा नेम सुने तो उसे सुन के आप कंफ्यूज ना हो कि ये वर्ड है या वो वर्ड है. नेक्स्ट इज़ टमाटो. टमाटो मीन टमाटर. taru. Taru. Arvi. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Phool gobi. Okra, and the second name is ladyfinger. Okra, ladyfinger. Bhindi. Spring onion. Spring onion. Sabz pyaz. Capsicum. Capsicum mean Shimla mirch. Potato. Potato means aloo. Let's see, there are two names again. Eggplant and brinjal. It is called bangan, eggplant and brinjal. Next is cabbage. Cabbage means band gobi. Cucumber. Cucumber means kheera. Green beans. Green beans, or you can say just beans. Lobia ya phaliyan. Mint. Mint means pudina. Lettuce. Lettuce means salad patta ya salad ka patta. Peas. Peas means mutton. Apple gourd. Apple gourd. Tinde. Carrot. Carrot gajar. Marrow. Marrow gude wala kaddu. Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd means loki. There are 2 or 3 types of gourd. Spinach. Spinach palak. Ridge gourd. Ridge gourd. Ghia tori. This is the third gourd. Ginger. Ginger adrak. Onion. Onion. Pyaz. Beetroot. Beetroot. Chikandar. bitter gourd, bitter gourd, Karela, garlic, garlic lesson, coriander, coriander, dhania, green chili, or you can say just chili, sabz mirch. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Take care and goodbye.